Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Putri Cahyati. I'm usually called Icha. In this video, I want to practice about consonant S and Z. I visited zoo. I visited the zoo. They zip it up slowly. They zip it up slowly. I said Z. I said Z. What is soon correctly? What is sown correctly? They're racing horses. They're racing horses. They're very lazy. They're very lazy. The prices are excellent. The prices are excellent. Is she fuzzy? Is she fuzzy? That's not reason enough. That's not reason enough. What's the price? What's the price? It's a nice place to go to. They're a nice place to go to. I'd like some peace for a change. I'd like some peace for a change. His niece received some cuts in the crash. His niece received some cuts in the crash. They buzz people when they need to. They buzz people when they need to. It caused him a lot of worry. It caused him a lot of worry. There are some lamps in the room. There are some lamps in the room. Do you have any plants? Do you have any plants? I think they're false. I think they're false. Did you know he's fierce? Did you know he's fierce? And that's it. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.